Friends, let's learn about daily use words today. Daily use words उसका मतलब है हर रोज इस्तेमाल होने वाले शब्द. The first word in our list is key. It is spelled as K-E-Y. Key. इसका मतलब है कुंजी. Say it again. Key. The next word is book. It is spelled as B-O-O-K. Book. इसका मतलब है किताब. Say it again. Book. The next word is glass and it is spelled as G-L-A-S. Glass. इसका मतलब है शीशा. Say it again. Glass. The next word is watch and it is spelled as W-A-T-C-H. Watch. इसका मतलब है घड़ी. Say it again. Watch. The next word is bread and it is spelled as B-R-E-A-D. Bread. इसका मतलब है रोटी. Say it again with me. Bread. The next word is chair and it is spelled as C-H-A-I-R. Chair. इसका मतलब है कुर्सी. Say it again with me. Chair. The next word is spoon and it is spelled as S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. इसका मतलब है चम्मच. Say it again with me. Spoon. The next word is lintel and it is spelled as L-I-N-T-E-L. Lintel. इसका मतलब है दाल. Say it again with me. Lintel. The next word is soap and it is spelled as S-O-A-P. Soap. इसका मतलब है साबुन. Say it again with me. Soap. Let's do the next set of words. The first word is bridge. It is spelled as B-R-I-D-G-E. Bridge. इसका मतलब है पुल. Repeat it after me. Bridge. The next word is rat and it is spelled as R-A-T. Rat. इसका मतलब है चूहा. Repeat it again. Rat. The next word is knife and it is spelled as K-N-I-F-E. Knife. इसका मतलब है चाकू. Say it again. Knife. The next word is tap and it is spelled as T-A-P. Tap. इसका मतलब है नल. Say it again. Tap. The next word is roof, and it is spelled as R O O F, roof. इसका मतलब है छत. Say it again with me. Roof. The next word is ball, and it is spelled as B A L L, ball. इसका मतलब है गेंद. Say it again. Ball. The next word is sun, and it is spelled as S U N, sun. इसका मतलब है सूरज. Say it again with me. Sun. The next word is moon, and it is spelled as M O O N, moon. इसका मतलब है चांद. Say it again with me. Moon. The next word is earth, and it is spelled as E A R T H, earth. इसका मतलब है पृथ्वी. Say it again with me. Earth. Let's come to the next set of words. Shoes. It is spelled as S H O E S, shoes. इसका मतलब है जूते. Say it again with me. Shoes. The next word is brush, and it is spelled as B R U S H, brush. इसका मतलब है brush. Say it again with me. Brush. The next word is mirror, and it is spelled as M I R O O R, mirror. इसका मतलब है शीशा. Say it again with me. Mirror. The next word is fan, and it is spelled as F A N, fan. इसका मतलब है पंखा. Say it again with me. Fan. The next word is water, and it is spelled as W A T E R, water. इसका मतलब है पानी. Say it again with me. Water. The next word is oven, and it is spelled as O V E N, oven. इसका मतलब है चूल्हा. Say it again with me. Oven. The next word is quiet, and it is spelled as Q U I E T, quiet. इसका मतलब है चुप. Say it again with me. Quiet. The next word is oval, and it is spelled as O V A L, oval. इसका मतलब है मैदान. Say it again. Oval. The next word is noise, and it is spelled as N O I S E, noise. इसका मतलब है शोर. Say it again. Noise. Let's do the next set of words. Clothes. It is spelled as C L O T H E S. Clothes. इसका मतलब है कपड़े. Say it again with me. Clothes. The next word is socks. It is spelled as S O C K S. Socks. इसका मतलब है मोजे. Say the word again. Socks. Next word is bad, and it is spelled as B A D. Bad. इसका मतलब है बुरा. Say it again. Bad. The next word is good, and it is spelled as G O O D. Good. इसका मतलब है अच्छा. Say it again. Good. Let's come to the next word. It is bag, and it is spelled as B A G. Bag. इसका मतलब है थैला. Say it again. Bag. The next word is run, and it is spelled as R U N. Run. इसका मतलब है दौड़ना. Say it again. Run. The next word is hammer, and it is spelled as H A M M E R. Hammer. इसका मतलब है हथौड़ा. Say the word again with me. Hammer. The next word is toy, and it is spelled as T O Y. Toy. इसका मतलब है खिलौना. Say the word again with me. Toy. The last word. It is lady. It is spelled as L A D Y. Lady. इसका मतलब है औरत. Say the word again with me. Lady. So today we learned a lot of words. In the next session we will learn other few words. Meet you again.